On this day, I was fishing with a bunch of my buddies, Andy Outdoors, James, Josh, and my buddy Law. This was the first time fishing with him on the kayak, and it was his first time out in Half Moon Bay, so stay tuned.
Hey Lawrence, let's just get out a little bit further and then we'll tie up. Probably just try it again once we go around this bend.
You tried to start it last night?
No. It actually at first it fired up and then it just died on the idle.
After you start up, you should give it some gas.
Yeah, I did, but and then it was idling fine and then just died. So I'll try to crank on it again.
Reeling it in with Jake.
I know, right? First time towing.
Jake's AAA service. Yep.
What's up, Casey?
Hey, who's that?
It's Jake.
Reeling no Jake, yeah?
Yeah,
Casey.
I'm towing Law. Yeah, Casey's out here. We just caught him. We thought it was you guys, actually.
Thanks for the invite, bro.
What up?
Looking for some people like Capri?
Yeah,
Like,
further this way, huh?
around there.
Yeah.
I know sketchy coming out because we went out and we tried to go north and then the slope got really fucking big.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Andy, you got an octopus?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Wow. Oh, shoot, I'm on. I am.
Jake, Sean.
Feels small though.
What is it, octopus?
No, it feels like a fish though. Oh, it's a little gopher or brownie. Brownie, actually. Brownie.
Brownie, right?
Yeah.
That's a good size.
Not bad, huh?
Not bad. Decent.
Yeah.
Are you fishing all the way bottom?
Yeah. I'm just trying an anchovy for now. Oh, I'm on. Little brownie there.
Okay.
This one feels good. Good one.
Hello, Enter Jake. You got any luck so far?
Hey, this is a big old brownie. Oh, I'm on again. Feels like another good one. Oh, this one might be a link. Oh yeah, it's a link. It's a link. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Woo. Yes, sir. Got a link. Woo.
All right.
$25 incher. Ooh, we got a China. Got one. Good one. Think maybe another link. Big old caddy. Gabby. Huh? I think so, yeah.
Alright guys, so I accidentally had my GoPro in time-lapse mode, but I went and asked my buddy Law how he liked his first time out in Half Moon Bay. He obviously had a great time and hooked up on some nice rockfish. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.